In this video, we are going to learn about how can we start a new part in SolidWorks. These are the two options that are existing in SolidWorks when we launch the SolidWorks. The first option is for the new document. If we select that option means these are the three interface that are available in SolidWorks, and the first option is for to create a 3D model as a part, and the second option is for the assembly. If you want to create an assembly means we can use this option, and the third option is for the drawing or drafting. It is actually used to create the 2D drawings, and these are the additional options. If you want to, and this is like an advanced option, and the first option is for the templates in your organization. If they are creating any constant templates for the application means these will be appear on this platform, and the other option is like a tutorial option. If an organization is planning to provide any training on any of the module means this option will be appeared at this platform, and these are the appearance options which we can adjust as per your convenient. These are the options that are available in SolidWorks, and for creating a new part, initially we have to select part module, and then we have to select OK, and this is the part interface that are available in SolidWorks.